Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to use Pandabuy Australia. So basically it's the same way you use other Pandabuy in other countries. So you'll have to create a free account. You can go on pandabuy.com, or you can use their own app and create your free account, and then you can go on and search for different products like t-shirts, shoes, and much more. And basically what you'll have to do is simply choose the product, and you'll have to choose Australia warehouse. So this is very important, so you'll have to make sure that Australia is selected when you choose the warehouse. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you have to choose the colors, the size, and much more. And when you click on buy now, here where it says Pandabuy warehouse, you'll have to click on it. You're gonna see something like this, and then you have to search for Australia, and that's all. So this is very important. This is the most important step, and then you can go on and click on submit order and go on from there. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.